We will be making sour cherry jam today. Sour cherry jam is a special one. What makes it special is its slightly tangy flavor. Let's move on to the recipe for a beautiful jam with a perfect consistency. I am pouring 800 grams of granulated sugar over 1.5 kilograms of sour cherries. I will leave it to rest for 2 to 3 hours, and after that I will start cooking it. It has been 2 hours, so let's move it to the stove. The cherries have been boiling for half an hour now, so it's time to squeeze half of a lemon's juice over it. Lemon prevents jams from crystallization. After boiling it for half an hour and adding the lemon juice to it, I am letting it boil for 10 more minutes. This beautiful sour cherry jam took 40 minutes of cooking in total to be ready. When it cools down, it will have the perfect consistency. When it's transferred to glass jars while still hot, it would last much longer. Make sure the jar lids are brand new. To guarantee a healthy canning process, you can boil the lids before putting them on the jars. This amount of ingredients yielded 2 jars of 750 milliliters of capacity each. Make sure you close the lids as tight as possible and then turn the jars upside down. The jam will be ready when it cools down. You should store these jars in a cool and dry place. They would last a good few months in a cupboard. Please do not forget to like and share our videos.